gonna make oatmeal cookies, and I only have steel cut. I'm gonna wing it a little bit. I'm gonna actually use a little bit of almond meal. So let's see. I got 2 sticks of butter. I'm gonna put those in my bowl. We got brown sugar, a cup of brown sugar, and a quarter cup of this. Vanilla. It's nice and creamy now. You can see. A little bit more molasses. Since it's very hard to do, I just do like, I'm winging it. Flour. I'm gonna wing it a little bit because I don't have enough steel cut oats, so I'm gonna make the cookie mine. So let's see, a cup and a half flour. 1, 2, baking soda, 1 tablespoon. Salt, a little salt. I'm winging it on salt. So I have only this, not the rolled oats. So hopefully it'll be still good. I'm supposed to do 3.5 cups. Let's see. 1, 2. I have 2. I'm gonna substitute and use oatmeal. I'm gonna use almond meal for the rest of it. I bet you that's gonna taste really good too. Okay, that was about a half. That's 2.5. This has to be, the dry proportion has to be right to the other proportion. Okay. And okay, there we go. And raisins, you have to forget the raisins. Like a cup of raisins. I'm gonna wing the cup with like a handful. I love raisins, so gotta break them a little apart with the. Break them up a little bit, otherwise you have too many clusters of raisins together. Okay, it says to this is my dough. My dough's kind of hard. I'm just gonna wing it. They're pretty smooth looking. Let's see. Very good. Very healthy.